Welcome to Ratsusila Holistics. Today I am going to give you predictions of November 2020 for Zodiac Sagittarius based on tarot cards and rune divination. I have taken 3 cards from tarot, one for your health, one for your wealth and one for your love and relationship, and I have similarly taken 3 runes, one for your health, one for your wealth and one for your love and relationship. Now we will see what cards you have got. As far as your health is concerned, you have got 3 of Pentacles in the upright position, and as far as your wealth is concerned, you have got Judgment in the upright position, and as far as your love and relationship is concerned, you have got 10 of Cups in the reversed position. And now runes. For health you have got Perto, and for wealth you have got Algis, and for your relationship you have got Hagalas. Now we will go into detail what the cards and the runes have in store for you. As far as your health is concerned, 3 of Pentacles is a great card to come. It says that if you have any kind of health problem, you can improve very well. You will find new ways to improve your health. Fitness will go well. If you have any idea of weight loss or muscle building or going to gym and all, this month is very good for doing all that. Your health will be perfect. As far as rune Perto says, you will get new ideas how to make your health more fit, and that will be of a great help to you. You will feel very enthusiastic because of your great health. Now when we come to wealth card, it is Judgment in the upright position. It says you will get lot of opportunities coming your way. Lot of people will offer you projects, but because of your overthinking, you will make it go away. They will slide away from you, drift away from you. It is not good for you. You try to grab the opportunity without overthinking, but at the same time, doing big financial investments are not good in this month. Filing lawsuits are also not good because there is chance of you to lose in your lawsuit. If you have any crucial legal hearing this month, it is best for you to get it postponed. In the angle of rune, when we see you have got Algis, it says be cautious because this month is not that good for you to go for lawsuit. But as far as your career is concerned, definitely there will be a boostage for you. Now coming to your relationship and love, you have got 10 of Cups in the reversed position. It says that one of your partner is not committed. You or your partner is not committed in the way the other one wants to be. So there will be some misunderstanding. Those who have conceived, they should be very careful because there is possibility of miscarriage. According to runes, when we say it is Hagalas, Hagalas says that quarrels are likely in your relationship. So you try to understand the emotion of your partner and be careful in your talks. I have taken an angel card for you to make this month very comfortable for you. The angels have sent trustworthy guidance as the card for you. What does this trustworthy guidance mean? Trustworthy guidance says that angels say meditate upon what do you want, what you need, what you want to do. Meditate upon it and release all your fears, all your shortcomings and all your tensions to angels. They are ready to help you. They are ready to take it away from you. This month you pray to Archangel Raguel and seek his guidance for a smooth life. If you like this video, kindly share, like and subscribe.